summer.
Fall,
Summer
give me
may
fall, give
be
me fall.
winding down, but some of the season's best finds are worth taking straight into the fall.
Yeah, beauty and lifestyle expert Mickey Williams is here with her summer edit featuring the standout products she is loving right now. Welcome back.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, yeah, I'm glad summer's winding down, but I like the summer products.
Yes, and again, there's a lot of stuff that we need to like get out of our pores, right?
Oh,
like
yeah. All the
just kind of the crud and the gunk that
sunscreen
we
and the
put
sand
in
and
over stimulated our pores. So I kind
chlorine.
of thought these are some ways that, like you said, we could take all of our goodness and our freshness to full.
Okay.
All right.
We get sent so many products. This was one of the products that I was like, let's try it out because there's so much K-beauty out there
Right.
that it's kind of overwhelming, right? This product certainly stood out. This is the Sol 1988 Refining Pad. This is a sea retinol and bamboo. These are little pads that you basically just take these, you put them right on your skin, and I mean, that's the bunch there. And you put them right on your skin and you let them sit for like 3 to 5 minutes and then they kind of break down the stuff that's going on underneath your skin. You can break them apart and then you just kind of take it and you wipe everything away. We talked about this with Mad Hippie last time I was here about we just kind of need something that's going to do a little bit of a cellular turnover constantly for us.
Yeah.
This is another great product and it's a pad which gives you a little bit of relaxation. So I really loved that product.
Okay, so you let it sit there. You don't like rub it on your face.
You do afterwards. Just let it sit there. You let it kind of draw out where you want. I've been trying out a ton of self tanners right now. And so I'm breaking out on the side of my face. So I was testing it and putting it on there and I could see it would take the inflammation out of it.
Oh.
But it also has a little bit of retinol in it. It has a lot of good stuff in it to kind of hydrate. So it was just a great little, kind of get the gunk out, but in the same way refine the skin. We need a little refining after a summer. You'll notice like the tiny lines are coming back and that's just because it's been exposed to more sun.
Because we're
and
getting
it's been a lot of layering of sunscreen.
Yes, that's true. Okay, what's this?
Collagen.
Okay, I don't know. I think you guys know by now because I always bring collagen on that I'm obsessed with collagen. I just feel like it just makes everything work better at my age.
Yeah.
This is by far my favorite. I've talked about it before. I think everybody should have this, especially if you're going into colder months and you want a little bit of rehab from the summer. Collagen's just great. This is Live Conscious. This is their Beyond Collagen. It's really just kind of inside out beauty. I put it in my coffee. I put it in my water with lemon.
Is it flavored?
They do have flavored.
Okay.
They do have peach mango. That's amazing.
Okay.
But it really just supports radiant skin. It gives you stronger hair. It's really like resilient nails. I mean, just incredible product, but it also really gives you joint comfort. And that's something that I think is really important. Why I love this Live Conscious so much is because they come in these little packs. They have packs, but they also have the scoopable one. So I have both. I'm traveling right now. I've already had 2 of these this morning.
Really?
I popped them in, because I get achy when I wake up in the morning. But it's also unflavored, so if I want to put it in my coffee, it doesn't change the taste. But I love, love, love those packets. And one other thing that I think really makes Live Conscious stand out is it dissolves so
quickly.
fast. It is just the fastest dissolving collagen, and it's just really an incredible, incredible product.
Okay, great.
Yeah, you got your little vitamin C in there, you got
Yeah.
everything, but these little packets are so great, and they just make it easy, really, really easy, but also if you want to scoop it, you got that too.
Okay, so we
Hair.
got the hair.
Yes, one of the biggest complaints from my readers, and also just I look at my son, I look at myself, and I also look at my friends, is that our hair is just destroyed after summer, right?
The sun.
And the
It is
chlorine.
terrible. It's the chlorine, but it's also we do a lot more heat damage. We're giving ourselves away, so we're making it really straight.
Yeah.
This is one of the most coolest products. This is Camille Rose. This is the Algae Renewed Deep Conditioner. Ladies, I just want you to smell this product. This is absolutely one of the most genius products. We love it so much.
that does
It's for
smell
natural
good.
hair. It's a deep conditioning mask. It's absolutely beautiful. It's so thin. It looks super thick. But
Yeah, it
it's
does.
You can use this on all hair types. I say if you have fine to thin hair, you want to just make midsection to the ends.
Okay.
But it goes on everywhere. It's infused with blue-green algae and mango butter. It's absolutely gorgeous. It really seals the broken bonds due to like chemical or heat damage, but the algae vitamin really seals and really hydrates and conditions. Love, love, love that product. Super great product. And that smell is just
Yeah,
amazing.
it's a nice smell.
It's a big tub. You can use it on the whole family.
Okay, more hair. Scalp.
Yes, I talked about Kilgauer MD before. Scalp health is so important, especially after summer. But I am just, whether you're going through, on a GLP or you're going through possibly a menopause, this is really great. A dermatologist developed, board certified, Stanford trained dermatologist created this for his mother. Clinically proven formulas for thinning hair. It's trusted by over 1,000 clinicians. I like to say that word because I can never say it right. But what this really does is these are 2-step serums
Whole
right
system.
here. It's a system. It has a shampoo and conditioner, but you really want to start with the prevention or the treatment. They're just 2 drops. They're not oily. They don't do anything. I can't tell you how many people keep asking me, how did you grow your hair back? And to be honest with you, this is it. I will always support this product because it literally gave me my hair back after I had ACE, and it's continued to after I'm going through my perimenopause. It creates less shedding. It's just an excellent, excellent product, and it reduces, I think, hair fall up to like 30% in just 2 months. And in a full 90 days, you're really going to see your hair follicle stimulated.
Awesome.
It worked for me. So
Shoes?
yes, and so we got sent a lot of like keep your activity going through fall products, right?
Yeah.
And so I thought, oh, well, these are really cute. And then I tried them out. These are all Swiffit. Is that how you say it?
Yes.
Okay. This is, I want you to feel this. It's super light. It's much lighter than a hookah.
Yeah.
They're being compared to hookah right now. But what I really love about these are you just step into them. These are walking, so you just basically have no lacing. So if you have your hands full, if you're a mom like me, this came out really, really great. They have this like hollow EVA right here. Just a beautiful shoe, but when you put your foot in it is really when it makes the
That's
difference.
like a cushion.
It's
Oh, wait, it's my
absolutely great.
size.
Mhm.
Here, oh, there you
Let
go.
me
Put
see.
your foot in there.
She's taking off her Cinderella
See,
shoes.
no hands. Do I get the
hands,
shoe on?
No.
I do. No.
Oh, girl, now tell me.
How do you like it?
How you like me now?
Oh,
How you like me now?
I'm telling you.
How do you like me now?
And you know what? The big
Very
sneaker
nice.
trend is still coming back for fall, and it's just more comfortable. And the price point on this shoe is so much better than spending the $160 to $200.
Oh, nice. They feel so good and
Yes.
airy, and I feel
Feel bouncy?
supported. I do.
Yeah.
Honestly,
Feel
I
bouncy?
do.
Yeah.
I feel bouncy. So these are awesome.
And it works
I like
really
this.
good with your bouncy ponytail.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
She's bouncing.
Which one do you like? Do you like
She's
these?
bouncing.
Or do you like this?
I'm going to
like-
go sandals, but yes, the walking shoes are cute too.
Aren't
Thank
they really
you.
great?
Aw,
I mean, I
so
just
cute.
love that. And I love anything that I don't have to get down and tie.
Exactly.
Well, yes. Easy on, easy off.
Easy on,
There
easy
you
off.
go.
Thank you, Mickey.
All right.
Hey, make sure you get more information. Visit sharetheglam.com and follow Mickey on Instagram at MW Makeup.